This is the gauge cluster from a 2001 PT Cruiser, which is also similar to other years. And I just wanted to give you an idea of the lights that are in the gauge cluster. One here, 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 and here. And also the bolts that you have to take off to remove it. I also have a video of the actual bezel to take out the gauge cluster. But at least I wanted to give you an idea of what that looks like and where the location of those lights are. So if you are blind behind your speedometer, RPM gauge, or anything, it is due to one of these lights out here going bad. But if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below, and I will answer your questions within 48 hours. If you do have a video that you need for another model or part, also comment, and I will get a video up within 48 hours of that particular model. But thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped. Have a great day.